Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by recognizing the pattern you need. If you describe an action, use the only way to plus the base verb. Once you identify the actor as a person or thing, form the only way for plus noun plus to plus verb so responsibilities and possibilities are clear. Make sure to listen for the verb that follows. If an ing form is natural, check whether the only way of plus ing fits better. Begin using these patterns in short sentences now. Once you can form simple patterns, tackle clauses. Include that when you need a defining clause, the only way that we can finish is, because it clarifies the condition. For concise directives, prefer the infinitive. The only way to fix it is to. When the action reads as a noun, use of plus a gerund. The only way of improving performance is by. Practice converting sentences between these forms to feel the subtle differences in focus and tone. To finish, always check which element you want to emphasize, the actor or the action. If the sentence sounds awkward, swap to verses of or insert for plus noun to shift focus. Make sure punctuation and placement of modifiers don't separate only from the element it restricts. Troubleshooting tip: if your sentence still feels unclear, split it into two simple sentences. You'll usually reveal the correct preposition and avoid misplaced only.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.